Hello, I'm now bringing my refrigerator. So the floor is made of marble and I have no any kind of trolley or any kind of movable cart. So I'm using just a simple bed sheet as you can see. So my wife as you can see is quite stupid. She blocked the way. Yes, you can see my wife is literally stupid. She blocked the way with the mat. I don't know how the goodness of heaven I can bring inside the refrigerator. Sometimes you have to marry an idiot like my wife. Literally, from the morning, I'm trying to do it fast. My wife is becoming an obstacle. By the way, if I'm saying anything like harsh, I didn't select last night because I was at job. Okay, now let me just bring inside. Ravi, will you move? You're making more problem for me rather than helping me. I'm not wearing any safety shoes, which is quite down to be honest with you. I'm literally not wearing any safety shoes. I don't want to injure my toe. So this one we're going to be a hard part. By the way, my wife is so lazy. She do not even empty the refrigerator for last 2 days. She promised me, and I came home from the ship. By the way, I work on a ship. I mean, I don't understand why Amelia is so lazy woman. Like it's full. The refrigerator is full of stuff. Tin can, jam, drinks, and it's super heavy. And I'm trying my best to put the calm. Okay, now let me just question my anger and then let me do it. If anything break inside, especially any glass, I'm not responsible. Sometimes you really have to do everything alone because the partner is so lazy that my wife literally spent entire night and day watching dramas. Like super lazy wife I have. Okay, finally I think so. Come here. Okay, my wife is smart. I don't want to like have argument with my wife now. Okay. Okay. It's inside. I don't know. Okay, let me just put here like this. So yeah, the refrigerator is inside. I'm very tired to be honest with you now. Super tired. So let me show you my new home. It's quite dark here. Okay. This is my new home. Let me go inside. Okay, let me turn on the light. Let me show you. Let me show you how is the wind noise. Okay, let me close the window and then let me show you some other stuff. So this is a sink. I think so this is around 95 square feet. So there's some storage upstairs as you can see. And this is the washroom. Okay, let me show you from inside. There's a cabinet and this is me. Okay, so my wife already did some basic setting, which is a good thing. Oh, what just happened? I really like it, to be honest with you. It's a quite nice place. So this is the place which I'm talking about. Let me just turn on the light. My wife already did some basic setting. So here is our table. Before that, I want to show you the storage. Wow, I think I can put a dead body there. So this is the aircon. This is the bunk bed. Maybe I'm going to buy a new one. And let me show you the bathroom. There are some stools. Okay, there is a heater and this is me. I mean, this is 85 square feet, around 85 to 95. I'm not sure exactly. My estimation is that around 85. So you'll be wondering how much I'm paying. I'm paying for this only 600. This is the cheapest which I can get. Let me show you from outside. Okay, let me open the window and then you can hear the noise. So this is on the 12th floor. I hope it's not going to be noisy because I work at night time and during the daytime I sleep. So nowadays there's no business. Most of the factories convert into a residential. So this is still technically according to law industrial area. I cannot live here, but I cannot find any home in China because the prices are sky high. If I'm going to look something like this outside in a residential area, it's going to cost me around 1,000 to 2,000 US dollar. So my wife already did some basic setting. Okay, so what is this? Okay, it seems quite nice. Okay, let me show you. This is the exhaust fan with a mini exhaust fan there. This is a sink. I mean, it seems quite nice, isn't it? What do you have to say? To me, it seems quite nice. So you will be wondering why I'm shifting to a new, because that one I pay around 400 US dollar and it's tiny, super tiny. And this one I will only pay around 200 extra, but this place is big. That one is 45 square feet. But still, this one is also a tiny. This one is maximum 95 if I'm going to include the bathroom. So the living area, this is entire my living area. There's no kitchen. The kitchen is within the room. This one will be maximum 85 to 95. I need to convert. I need to ask the landlord. Yeah, especially in the city of Hong Kong in China, the prices are super expensive. I mean, I really do not advise you to move to, especially Hong Kong in China. I mean, if you wanna move to like Shenzhen, Ningbo, much better. I really wanna escape. Like still, living in a tiny place is a good thing, but sometimes is that you're exhausted. You just wanna escape. I mean, to be honest with you, I really want to escape from this tiny place. I really want to escape, but I have no option. One day, maybe I think I can migrate to Africa. I think so. I can migrate to Africa. So yeah, I bought some breakfast. My wife is going to get angry.
Video.
So as you can see, I'm cleaning my stuff. I'm throwing a lot of my stuff, and I'm using a Sony Bluetooth wearable speaker. So this is my leather bag. It's quite expensive. I need to get some polish done, and now it's become messy. I need to throw a lot of stuff, to be honest with you. This is a 85 square feet. I confirm 85 square feet room. It's quite messy, isn't it? Don't worry, I'm going to clean it.
Upper is our storeroom, so we can keep our after cleaning
that's
the products we can put in the storeroom. And he is very tired. So this room is quite big compared to our previous room, very small.
Bring the mic to your mouth.
I was very tired from the small
Tilt
room.
the mic to your mouth. I said tilt the mic.
Tilt the mic to my mouth. Okay, yeah, now I understand. So I was saying that this room is quite big, bigger than the previous room. So I was very tired from small room, and it was quite messy, and I get upset and angry. So we decided to move to the new home, which is bigger than the smaller room. We are still setting it up. And this is the, as you know, this is a construction building area, industrial area. So you see, if I move it down, maybe you can see some trucks. Maybe you can't because it's quite upper floor. We are on 12th floor.
Okay, now can we get started with cleaning up the mess?
Yeah, sure.
Or we are going to spend a whole day like this?
No. No, we will.
It's going to be 11 p.m. Hurry up.
Okay. See you after the cleaning. So we will be right back.
To do some setting and it will take some time. This is my backpack and I try to put some few stuff on the door, and here's the bed sheet. Under that there's a storage box. I need to find a better way to store this box. And then okay, let me show you. there is some of the food such as some drinks, some condiment, and some Indomie noodle from Indonesia are there, as you can see. Isn't that good? Okay, as you can see. And then let me show you the food. And the food I bring it from my mother home. Okay, and then here's the bunk bed which I have to throw, and here I put some of my stuff up. Again, this is like a small storage. By the way, these are empty boxes of my camera because a lot of stuff which I'm going to sell right now over next few days to maybe few weeks. I have to get rid of my iPad Pro, which I'm not using anymore after getting my M1 MacBook. So yeah, so there's a lot of stuff which I really have to. Let me show you from here. Okay, as you can see. Yeah, so again these are drinks. Again, I need to get in a better order. Again, this setting is done by my wife. I know she's not good as organized, and it's look very ugly and waste of space, such as like few condiment here, and I do not understand what this kind of under food powder is doing with this kind of like black pepper, Tabasco, and Japanese salt. I really do not understand. Again, this is very bad organization. Again, this is the some lotion, some underarm, again with some drinks. I really do not understand. Again, this is done by my wife. As I told you, my wife is a little bit idiot. Yeah, she's a little bit idiot. She do not have that much brain. Like she have half brain. And here some noodles, some potato. And this is my wife idea. I do not understand what kind of stupid idea is this, but again, my wife is laughing at me. By the way, my wife have to do some dishes. Yeah, it's a very bad organized. Let me be honest, it is a very bad organized. Let me show you from outside. As you can see, just in front of us there is a private residential area. It costs us not 2 times more, not 4 times more, nearly 5 times more. Yes, you heard me right. That one costs you around $3,000 to live in one of that apartment. Yeah. So can I see something from down? There's nothing much I can see. So yeah, I hope you like it. Again, I'm very angry with the organization. Like, I really do not understand why my wife really had to prove she do not have any brain. Like skin detox tea, herbal tea. All of the herbal tea are like, some herbal teas are here, some herbal, as you can see, some herbal teas are here, some herbal teas are here. Like my wife really have to prove she cannot organize. Again, I know I do not wanna get a fight in with my wife. I need to assert some authority here, and then I need to organize this stuff, because you know, understand, especially if you're living in a factory area, there can be a lot of cockroaches, a lot of a lot of mite, a lot of bugs can easily come in. So you really have to keep organized, especially so for example, this tea is wrapped in a paper. This can easily due to the moisture, it can become wet. It can become a breeding ground for the insect, to be honest with you. I really have to organize. I really understand this look quite messy, quite look ugly. Do not worry, I'm going to throw 50% of the stuff. Whatever you're seeing here, I'm going to throw 50%, because this place is very small. Okay, I think I really have to have this rhino drink. So yeah, let's have the rhino drink and click that subscribe button.